Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am in the car. I just came out of CVS and the music was blaring. I just didn't want to deal with this, so I just grabbed a couple things and came out to the car. I specifically came for one thing that I wanted to share with you guys, but they did have a couple other things that I grabbed, so I'm going to share a couple things with you. But before I do, and before I get started, guys, do me a favor. I am like so close to hitting my goal of 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. My goal was to hit it by May 31st, and I missed that goal. But let me tell you guys where I'm at so that you know how much help I need. So I currently sit at 9,944. So I need 56 more subscribers. That is not a lot to ask for. So if you guys can share this video with your friends, your family, tweet it out in Messenger, not tweet it, but you know, share it out in Messenger, share it with all your co-workers and anyone who likes to save, even if it's just a dime, a quarter, or a nickel. That way I can hit my goal. I'd really appreciate it. And if you guys are watching me on Facebook, I am trying to hit my goal on Facebook, which I also missed. But you know, setting goals is not about always hitting them. If you set a goal and you miss it, just keep going after it and just let it be a learning lesson, and kind of, you know, analyze why you didn't hit it, or if you did hit it, analyze why you hit it, so that when you set more goals, you'll know your mistakes and you'll know where your strengths and your weaknesses are. So my goal on Facebook is to get to 6,100 followers, and look where I'm at on there. So I just need 33 more followers on Facebook. So if you're on either one of the platforms, help your girl out a little bit and hit that subscribe button or hit that follow button. I'd really appreciate it. So guys, let's jump right into the deals. So the first deal that I want to talk about are these bounce dryer sheets. They are the 34 count, and it is the outdoor fresh scent. And let me give you the UPC. So that is it upside down? Yeah. So that is the UPC. Now, these are in, you know, with all the other dryer sheets. One store that I went to where I actually purchased them, I did see them marked. But I've been in 2 other CVS's where I haven't seen them marked. So if you see them, please, you know, scan them at the self-checkout to make sure that you have the right ones. So these are marked at $2.13 now, and I believe that's like 40% off or 45% off, something like that. And I know some of you guys may think that's not cheap enough for you, but in my area we have 1,001 couponers. So, and people who like to save, and you know, people will buy these even if they don't have a coupon. So I wanted to get them while I could. I didn't want to wait until they went like 75 or 90% off, because they're probably not going to be there, because my store only had 3 of them. So I grabbed those 3. But the other stores that I went to, there were like 6 on the shelf, 10 on the shelf, and I think it's just simply because people don't know that they're marked down. So if you see them, just go ahead and scan them. Now, I didn't pay $2.13 for mine. What I did is I went on the P&G Good Everyday website and I printed off this 50-cent coupon. There is a $1 digital coupon in your CVS app. It's not going to work because it's not for the right count. Whereas this one says it's one bounce sheets 34 to 80 count. So this is 34. I'm just dropping everything. You guys know I drop something every video. So this is the 34 count. So this works. So you take 50 cents off of the $2.13 and let's do the math. Oh, but while I'm getting my calculator up and doing the math, guys, let me tell you something. Okay, so they come with the coupon, they come down to $1.63. So 34 count bounce dryer sheets, $1.63. Now, I do have to tell you something about this coupon when you print it. So I don't know if you guys have used the P&G website before, but when you print coupons from the P&G website, you only have 24 hours to use them. So I printed this yesterday, which was June 4th, and you see how it has the expiration date of June 5th. So this will expire today. So do not print that coupon until you're ready to go to the store. If you look and see your store has them today, but you want to go home and print a coupon and you don't want to go until tomorrow, I wouldn't print that coupon until tomorrow because it's only good for 24 hours. It will expire. So just a little tip so that you don't print a coupon today and then end up going on Thursday and now your coupon doesn't work. Okay. The other item that I got was this Microban 24-hour sanitizing spray, and this is the citrus scent. Now, you have to be careful because they do have two different scents on clearance. They have the citrus scent and whatever the scent is that has the green top and the green where this orange is. This one was 75% off, and this one came down to $1. I think like $1.65 or something like that. But the green ones are still like $4 and some. Now, in the past, there have been coupons for these on the P&G website, but there weren't any coupons this time. So I just paid the $1.65 for that, and that's absolutely okay with me. I put these in my cleaning baskets. I have people who own cleaning businesses that purchase these from me, so this is a good buy. But just make sure that you get the orange ones. And let me give you, here's the UPC for that. Is it blurry? Okay, and then the last item that I got was this 8x10 picture frame. It's House to Home, so you guys know this is a CVS brand, and this was actually I believe 99 cents. Let me look here. Yes, this was marked down to 99 cents. And you see it has the flap and the hook if you wanted to hang it on the wall. Let me give you the UPC. And they have tons of different design frames, different name brands, different prices, 5x10, 8x10, 5x7, 3x5, all kind of different ones, plastic, wood, and just, you know, the higher grade you get, the more expensive it is. But I don't think I've seen a frame in there that was more than like $4. So these are great to get right now with graduation season. You have wedding season coming up, and you know, sometimes you give a picture as a gift, so this is a great time to pick up a picture frame to put your picture that you're given as a gift in. Or if you do Christmas pictures, hey, why not grab a frame and a couple of frames and give someone, especially the special people in your family, give them a frame with their picture. So I grabbed one of these. I'm going to actually put a picture that I just got made of my mom, of me and my mom, in this one. So guys, that's all I got. I just wanted to share those clearance items with you. There are a bunch of other clearance items that I wanted to get, but they were only like 20 and 30% off. So I'm just going to hold on to purchasing them, but I'm going to keep going back and looking at the prices every week, and as I see them start to drop, then I'll grab them, and hopefully I'll also have some coupon matchups to go with them. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know down below if you were able to get any of these clearance finds, or maybe you found some clearance finds that I haven't seen or brought up on my videos that I can go and look at, because there's a lot of clearance. It's just that some of it's marked and some of it isn't marked. So maybe you can find some unmarked clearance and share it with me. But until the next time, guys, keep on saving.